Welcome to 1027 Branchwood Drive in the heart of Kernersville, a beautifully refreshed home offering space, charm, and a long list of updates. As you approach, you'll notice the newly installed roof, updated concrete sidewalk, fresh landscaping, and classic curb appeal. Step inside to smooth ceilings, fresh paint throughout, and new LVP flooring and carpet that carry through much of the home. The main level features multiple gathering spaces, including a welcoming living room or fantastic office, a dining room for hosting meals, and a cozy den complete with a wood-burning fireplace. The remodeled kitchen shines with new cabinetry, countertops, backsplash, stainless appliances, and recessed lighting. Upstairs, you'll find 4 comfortable bedrooms, updated baths, and a walk-in attic offering exceptional storage. The bathrooms throughout the home feature a mix of updates including vanities, lighting, plumbing fixtures, flooring, and more. Behind the scenes, this home has had many important upgrades: a fully refreshed crawl space with new insulation and vapor barrier, HVAC service with new flex duct, plus a new whole house interior water cutoff. Step outside onto the deck and enjoy the privacy of the backyard. This community offers access to a neighborhood pool, and you will love being close to 4th of July Park, complete with walking trails, playgrounds, tennis, a dog park, shelters, and a skate ramp. This home blends thoughtful updates with a wonderful Kernersville location, ready for its next chapter. Schedule your showing today.